Okay, I'm back with another one. This one's going to be a small Amazon tool haul. So let's get the camera turned around and show you what I have. Alright, first I got this caliper bracket wire brush on Amazon. It doesn't say, but it's a Lisle. They make some great products, Lisle does. Anyway, my other ones wore out, so I bought me a new one of them. And this tool, I had one, actually I've had a couple of them, but apparently they walked away. I don't know what happened to them. This is just a deburr tool for like when you're drilling holes in metal or plastic or whatever. I don't think they work on wood, but it's mainly for metal, aluminum and whatnot. It's to deburr the holes, or when you cut a piece of pipe, it'll deburr that. I'm going to set it down where you can see it a little better. I'll try to put some Amazon affiliate links in the description so you guys can go look and see what the prices are on these things. I don't remember what the price was on this. It also comes with quite a few, I think 10 extra bits for it, or blades, whatever you want to call them. But these work great. Like I said, I had a couple of them, but apparently somebody else liked them more than I do, and they walked off. But whatever. So I just figured I'd get me another one. If you're going to be doing any kind of drilling or cutting pipes or tubing or anything like that, you need something to deburr everything with, so you ain't got to use a file or a grinder. These work awesome. Okay, the next one is this little disc brake tool. It's for turning the rear calipers that turn. You have to turn in to get them to go in instead of just squeezing them in. It's for left-handed and right-handed threads on the calipers. You know, some of them turn into the right, some of them turn into the left. It just depends on the make and model of the vehicle. But it has pretty much all the adapters that you would need. It comes with it. Again, I used to have one of these. Didn't have all these adapters, but I had these two tools, this tool and this one. You know, for turning different ways, left hand and right hand. But I don't know what happened to them either. I guess somebody wanted them. I still have my Mac adapter set that comes with some of these. They don't have this many, and it sure wasn't this cheap. This set on Amazon was only like 20 bucks. I mean, I haven't used it yet, but I have used this style before. And they work great. I mean, you pretty much have to have them to turn those calipers back in. But you know, the ones that don't just squeeze in with a C-clamp, or the caliper tools that you can buy to push them in. You got to turn it either clockwise or counterclockwise to get the caliper piston to go back in. These work great. I mean, for 20 bucks, you can't go wrong. Alright, let me get this closed up. Put it over out of the way, get the other one. Another tool that I had, but apparently, I don't know what happened to them. You know, things happen, whatever. But anyway, these are Mueller Kueps, I guess is how you say that. I had the old style with the blue handles. Actually, that's what I thought I ordered, was the old style with the blue handles. That's what the page says on Amazon. It shows the ones with the blue handles, but when they came in, they was the green handles, black and green. It's like soft grip. In case anybody's wanting the part numbers, There's the part number for this one. Made in Germany. This is the wide one. And this is the part number for the thin one. And again, these are made in Germany. They're saying the thin one is for Japanese vehicles, but you know, you can use them on whatever, it don't matter about that. And I have to say, these handles, I didn't think I was gonna like it, because you know, I ordered the blue ones, but they're kind of weird anyway, but the blue ones, but these are awesome. I like these handles. The thin one and sorry about that, the thick one. I'm not sure if y'all are getting all that. Hopefully you are. If you're not, sorry. I already gave you the part numbers on the package anyway. There's really not much to say about these. Everybody knows about these, or at least you should know about these. Anyway, I think that's it. I like these handles better than the blue ones. I didn't think I was. I don't really care for green. I have some OEM O-ring tools over there that came in with black and green handles too, but it is what it is, I guess. But them handles are awesome. And, you know, like I said, there's really not much to say about the file itself. Anybody that's done very many brake jobs, they know what them files are about, and they know what they do. They're awesome. Just wanted to share that with you. That's it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the content. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.